Okay, so for this section, we're going to be looking at reports and utilities in Destiny. The first category in this section is backing up the system and rebuilding the system from the backup. So it's really essential that there is a backup plan in place as well as a plan for rebuilding so that you do not lose all of your information in Destiny. In looking into this further, I found that our school system pays Follett to host Destiny backup data system automatically, which is used as part of the service agreement. So we do not have access nor input at the local school level. It's all done through the district and Follett. So if this is not something that your system has in place, it would be a good idea to ask about it and kind of look into it so that your system can be assured that all of the data at all of the school levels are backed up and there's a plan in place for restoration. So moving forward to our next set of categories for this section, we're going to look at a few different reports. Circulation reports, age reports, and running custom indexes are all going to kind of fall within the same vein. So we're going to start by circulation reports. To run circulation reports, you're going to go to the Reports tab here at the top. Then you're going to go to Library Reports. Here you can see that there is a circulation section. We're going to select our only option in the circulation section, which is current checkouts and fines. Here we have several reports already saved. So these are reports that are commonly run. When you go into Destiny, you'll probably see that there are some of these, just like I have, that are run regularly that are saved. However, if you do not see the report that you need to run saved here, you can always scroll down and use these options to create a new report. So you'll choose the options that are going to meet your needs for the report you're looking for. Continue, follow the prompts, and save it. Then it will appear here in your saved reports, and then you're going to use this option right here to run that report. So next we're going to look at drilling down by age. Age gives an overall age of your collection by Dewey range for copies that have dates within their records. So it gives the average age of a Dewey range. You can drill into each Dewey range to get more information that is detailed. So for this, we're going to go into Report Builder. Again, we're still in the Reports tab, and then that was Report Builder. And we can see aged reports by each Dewey level. And then, of course, you can click right here to run those reports. So Destiny makes that easy. If you do need to create one, again, you have that option here to create a new report and then follow the prompts here that are going to help you with that. So again, it's just following the on-screen prompts. And this also brings us into running those custom indexes. So a custom index is when you can generate a list of books with certain characteristics other than author, title, and subject. So that's what we're seeing here is that we can pull titles by Lexile, by the series title, by quiz interest level, quiz points, quiz reading level, if that's something that your school uses, edition, and so on. We can also add multiple categories and sort of run everything with all that information. So I'm just going to go back and show you that we were under Reports, Report Builder, and the new report. And we're just following those prompts. So if I wanted to, pull by Lexile level, I would just select that. I would go through my on-screen prompts, continue to hit that next arrow. I can give a name to my report, and then I can save the report, or I can save and run, which is probably what I would do here if I'm ready to go ahead and get that information. And then it'll give me the option to view the report. Next, we're going to look at inventory. So the inventory process allows you to compare the title and copy records in your Follett Destiny Library Manager database with the actual items in your collection. So this lets you ensure the accuracy of your records, make sure you have items that patrons want, report on the current value of your collection, and make better decisions about which materials to purchase in the future. So for this, you're going to go into Back Office and then click Inventory here on the left. And then you're going to start a new inventory. So you're going to give your inventory a name. You're going to choose the call numbers. So if you're wanting to look at your entire collection, you can always choose your call numbers as being 0000 through 999999 in the range boxes, and that'll give you everything. So we could also choose just a particular range, which is going to work a little better for this demonstration. Let's name the inventory. Are you sure you want to start this inventory? Yes. And then it's going to start our inventory. We're going to want to finalize it. Copies unaccounted for, 25. Mark all unaccounted copies as lost. So let's do that. And then we're going to wait for that inventory to be finalized, at which point it will give us a list. View lost, and we'll see the list unaccounted for within that range. So that is how we do our inventory. Next, we're going to look at printing labels. So we can print labels for a single copy, or we can print used and unused barcode lists. So let's start by printing labels for a single title. So what we're going to do here is at the top, we're going to go to our circulation tab, and then we're going to go to copy status here on the left. So then we are going to put in our barcode number. So the example I'm going to use is this one. We'll hit go. This is a title on bald eagles. So what we're going to do here is print labels, self-explanatory. You can choose what information you want included on the label. You want the site name or the district name. You want the author on your label, the call number on your label. So it gives you those options. Here, the barcode label default always includes the scannable barcode and the eye-readable number. So this gives you the option to add in a few more things if you want. Then you're going to run your report. You're going to see these are pending. Once they're completed, it's going to give you the option to view, just like these give you the option to view. And then you can print right there as it pulls up. Our other option is to print used and unused barcode lists. So for this, we're going to go to our catalog tab, and then we're going to go to, oops, sorry, I jumped ahead. We are actually going to go to our reports tab, and then we're going to go to library reports. Here we're looking at the catalog titles and copies section, and we're going to click on barcode lists. All right, so then we can choose our range. And as I said before, you can do just a particular section of your collection, or if you want to see all used or unused barcode numbers, you can type in 0000 to 9999999 in the range boxes. So that should effectively cover all the numbers in your barcodes. So we could do that for this demonstration. We can run that report, and then it will give us the option to view again once that report is done. So that covers the entire demonstration for section 4, reports and utilities.